Let's do it.
Here's a really quick overhead video using 332/7018. Digital readout is nice. This one doesn't have it, but it looks like it's at 90 to 95 amps in that range. That's about where I would run this rod flat or horizontal, but as long as you keep a good tight arc, you can use the same amperage for overhead. Way back when I was in school, I really struggled with overhead because I turned it down thinking it was going to fall out with me, not realizing I needed to run it good and hot, but keep that arc good and tight. Rod angle is another thing that's important on overhead. We're using about a 90-degree, dead nuts, straight in rod angle. A slight drag would also work just fine, but if you get carried away with too much drag, that's going to cause the bead to crown up. You can get away with a slight push here too, but if you use too much of a push angle, the slag runs ahead of you, especially on a tie-in.